Hi there, I'm Brianna with WTI, and these are my Live Nature shampoo and conditioner bars. You guys are gonna love these Live bars. So you can see the shampoo and conditioner bars come in these metal tin cans. They have a really nice scent from essential oils. The shampoo bar lathers up really nicely on my head without having chemicals or parabens added. It gets my scalp feeling really clean. However, it doesn't make it feel dry or too oily. When you're ready to use the conditioner bar, what I like to do is smooth it along my hair, and I also focus a little bit on my tips as well. And then I will leave that on while I finish up my shower. And then at the end, I will rinse it out, and it feels nice and soft. It definitely helps detangle it. I can comb through it easily afterwards. And I can tell my hair is looking good, you guys. It looks soft, shiny, and healthy, and I have several of their bars, and I love them all. These are easy, solid bars to take with you wherever you go, and they are healthy, no chemicals added. So you cannot go wrong with these, in my opinion. And that's my point of view.